Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to create a professional Facebook page. So if you want to create a page for your business or anything else for advertising or to grow your business, so this video will show you how to create a professional page on Facebook. So what you have to do, first you have to click on this your profile pic from the corner of your screen. Whether you are using phone or mobile phone or laptop, the methods are same. Now click on this profile pic, and here you will see if you have already created any page, you will see like this. If you have not created any page, you will see like this. Now you have to just click on this see all profiles. Okay, now here you will see create a new profile or page. Now click on create new profile or page. Now here you will see two options, public personal profile or public page. So you have to create a to grow as a business, personal brand or organization. So what you have to click, just click on public page and click on next. Now here you will see create a page to engage new customers and fans, use advanced professional tools and all other things. So assign access to others, get actionable insight, reach more people. Anyone will be able to follow you and see your content in their feeds. Now you have to click on just get started. Now wait for a few seconds, and now here you have to enter the Facebook page name. So choose your name according to your brand name or company name. So I'm going to choose another name, market or stock market. Okay, now category, if required you have to choose your category here. So I'm going to choose trading. Okay, financial services, investing services, just click on it, and you can choose a category according to your business name. So and here you have to type a bio, so you can type whatever you want. So I want tips for investing in trading. Okay, like this. And now click on create page. Okay, here you will see like this, the page desktop view will be like this. Okay, now just click on create page. Now there are many tools also there for you to use. Now you can, if you have a website, you can just click on here you can type your website name here, and you can also choose your mobile number. If you want to add your mobile number here, you can choose your mobile number here. You can enter your email address. You can location of your company you can enter here, and post code and all this. And here you can also so that the location hours. Okay, as your company location hour, no hours available, always open or open at selected hours. Okay, you can choose all this and click on next. Now here you have to add your profile pic and also add a cover. Profile pic will appear here and also cover will appear here. Okay, now you can also add a action button. Like when you click on add a action button, here you will see customize your action button. Now click on try it. So if you have a show, you are a comedian or anything else, you can also click on this book now. So you can, when people click on the book now, there will be a ticket or to your website to buy a ticket. Sign up if you have a website for anything else, you can click on it and sign up. People will sign up on their a sign up form will appear. Start order, you can, if you are opening a restaurant, so you can choose this button. If you have a shop, you can just click on this and they leads to your shop websites. Get tickets, here you also choose where people can buy tickets. Send message, send WhatsApp message, call now, send mail. You can add these button, watch now, visit group, play game, buy now. All these action button you can add. So I want to add watch now, this one. Okay, So I can add this one, but you can add any one of them. So now click on the next. Connect WhatsApp to your page. If you want to connect your WhatsApp here, you can connect your WhatsApp phone number here and click on the get code, and your WhatsApp will be connected here. Now skip here, and you can invite your Facebook friends to here. If you want to invite your Facebook friend, your main profile friend, so you can just click on here invite friends, and notification will be delivered to each person of in the friend list of your Facebook. So now click on next, and page notification on your profile, marketing and promotional email about your page, you can also turn it on. Don't miss update about your page, stock market and emails like this. You can just click on it and click on done. So like this you can create a Facebook page, and also you will get here dashboard, so you can track the activity, how many people visited your Facebook page, how many people reacted, how many profiles your page reach, okay, post reach, post engagement, new page likes. Like in that you can just go and professional dashboard, and you can see all these things. So like this you can create a Facebook page on Facebook. So if you like this video, please like my video and also subscribe my channel for more tips about Facebook page.